Does your institution need to customize the available ReadSpeaker web reader tools in your Brightspace quizzes? If so, you can. ReadSpeaker support can make the changes for your institution. Let's look at all the tools we see in content. Notice that we have the download to MP3, help, dictionary, and translate tools. Looking at an assignment, we see the same tools. Now let's look at a quiz. Notice these tools, download as MP3, help, dictionary, and translate are not present. Let's read part of the instructions.
You can save your response to each question as you work through the quiz.
Now let's begin the quiz. Notice that each question has a ReadSpeaker web reader player. Clicking Listen will only play the one question and not the whole page. Let's customize our settings by using a blue sentence with a bright yellow word. For our first question, let's just listen to it.
Which of the following tools use web reader? Mark all that apply. Select 3 correct answers. Content or lessons, assignments or Dropbox, discussions, quizzes.
We know the answers are content or lessons, assignments or Dropbox, and quizzes. For question 2, let's use the Enlarge Text tool. Begin by clicking on the Enlarge Text tool on the lower toolbar, and then click Listen. Let's listen.
I use Doc Reader to read which of the following file types and content: HTML, Office files, DocX, PPTX, XLSX, PDFs, plain text, and rich text, MP3, MP4.
We know the answer is Office files, PDFs, plain text, and rich text. For question 3, let's use the Text Mode tool. First, we need to turn the Enlarge Text tool off by clicking on it. Notice the green dot has gone away. Now let's select our settings for our text mode. Let's use a font size of +3, Arial font. And for text colors, let's select black on light pink. Let's listen.
I need to use the TextAid extension to read news, discussions, rubrics, and grades. True, false.
We know the answer is true. Notice marking the answer in text mode also marks the answer for the question in the background. Submit your quiz as usual. To make these adjustments for your institution's ReadSpeaker web reader for Brightspace quizzes, please contact your ReadSpeaker account manager, ReadSpeaker support, or the ReadSpeaker Educational Development Manager for assistance.